Hello everyone, I am Utkarsh Yasasvi from Sunbeam School Mughalsarai and I am here to say the experience about the ATL workshop. It happened from 11th to till 28th. Today is 23rd 2024 and I have learned about R also. My starting topic was data science. Data science is data science means it the study of data for sharing the insights. Its meaning is a study of data to share meaningful insights. And AI, it refers to the human intelligence which is shared by human and is collected on one group that we say AI or artificial intelligence. Then we came on Python. Before Python, we have learned about similarities. On similarities, we learned with one book known as K Nearest Neighbors, which was our sir was saying about that. Then he said that for taking out the similarities, you have to minus two numbers inside of that absolute value and then add it with the another number with the same thing as earlier. Then we will get the similarity. We have done that with one data set known as iris data set. So I have made one program on Python in which we can find out which is setosa, which is versicolor and which is virginica. Then we came on Python. We have started with our tokens known as that tokens are the functions or things on every code. So we have started keywords. First we have said about the word kilo, then we started keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. These 5 tokens we have learned. And then we were doing the operations. We have done the operators all, which was plus, minus, multiply, par, divide, integral divide and remainder showing. These things we have done. And then we came on punctuators. On punctuators, we have used colons, um, dots and much more. Then we came on keywords. There were keywords and as the versions were increasing, the number of keywords was also increasing. If you see the least version, so you will see very few keywords. And if you see the highest version, latest version, so you will see so many keywords. Then we came on identifier and we seen the identifier rules. And then we came on R. In before coming to R, we have done some libraries known as pandas, scikit-learn, and like this much more. Then we have the R which we are learning right now. Then we have learned about that we have gone to Arduino. Now we have to make the models on Arduino microcontrollers and we will change the Python code on Arduino codes. And like this, in future we will be able to make the models. After our classes are end for 40 to 50 minutes, we have a break. We can do anything. So we have some fun also in our class. The most favorite thing in this ATL is this telescope, by which whenever I get the break, I used to see from it. Thank you.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I am Ashwar Kumar Sinha from Sunbeam School Mughalsarai. In the ATL workshop of Spring Camp 2024, the main focus was on AI and machine learning. The whole workshop began with introduction to Kaggle, which is a data science competition platform. And then we learned the basics of Python, which included the tokens of Python, which are keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuators. Moving on, we learned about different libraries of Python, some of which are Panda, NumPy, scikit-learn, etc. The Pandas is a data manipulation and analysis library. Then we deployed a Python, then we deployed a machine learning code to Arduino, and also we discussed about the Titanic tutorial of Kaggle. Thank you.
Good morning and Jain everyone. I am Abhinav Yadav from Samyam School Mughalsarai. Today is the last day of our ATL Spring Camp ATL lab. Here we learn about how to teach the machines about from the data, and we learn about data science and how to do coding in Python, Arduino, and DST sensors. We have fun also because we play games in lunch time, and we learn so much from Vinessor sir about the coding, this thing, that. And, we learn about the AI, how to teach them, and machine learning. Here and our programming language, Gemini, GTP, Bing, and these things we have learned in the workshop of ATL lab. And what क्या हो सकता है? In last, we have learned the R programming basic level because we are the beginners of the uh, R programming, and we have learned how to teach the machines by the data. Thank you.
Hi friends, I Ayush Gupta. Today I am going to tell you about my experience, which I take, which name is Spring Camp. The date of starting was 11th March to it was, and the last date was 23, which is now. And in starting date, first we make a concept map, and the main focus was that data science plus AI and machine learning. So for this, we also know many competition platform like Kaggle and many more. So and we also learn about Python and R programming. We also do the and we also learn about Arduino at the last, and also we do some coding in it. Thank you.
Good morning and Jain everyone. I am Krishna Mohan from Sunbeam School Mughalsarai, and today I am going to tell you about my workshop experience in Spring Camp. So first day we learned about difference between data science and AI. Second day, sir started K nearest neighbor and he explained about Iris data set. On third day, sir started Python programming, and till sixth day we learned about Python programming. After that, sir explained us small tricks to learn about keywords and literals in Python programming. Then we learned about pandas library in Python, and last day we learned about how to deploy machine learning in Arduino. Thank you.
Good morning again. I am Shaurya Khatri. Today I am going to tell you the experience of this ATL workshop in the Spring Camp 2024. On the first day, we learned about the difference between machine learning, no, sorry, difference between data science and AI, and some parts of machine learning. And on the second day, we learned about the K nearest neighbor library, and it is an algorithm also, and iris dataset. On the third day and uh, on the third day and on third to sixth day, we learned about the Python, in which we learned about keywords, identifiers, literals, and many more things. Um, on the then we learned about the Panda library, um, and and how to Panda library in Python. And on the last day, means today, we learned about the uh, KNN library, which we which we deployed the Python code to Arduino code, and working on the microcontroller. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pranshul Misra from Sambhir School, Mughalsarai. I am sharing my experience of ATL workshop that was started from 11th March 2024 4 to 23rd March 2024. Today is 23rd March 2024, the last day of ATL workshop. Uh, on the first day of ATL's workshop, we have learned about the difference between AI and data set and and some about machine learning. And second day we have learned machine learning and data sets like iris data set and heart disease, etc. Then then we will then on then on third day we have learned about Kadal. Kadal is a software or doodle in which we can take part in competitions it, and and win prizes. And from 4th to 11th day we have learned about Python. Python we have learned about tokens of Python, like that are in that are uh, so- in inter keywords, literals, operators, punctuators, fires. We have learned how to calculate in Python, how to make softwares in Python. Then then on last day we have learned how to transfer Python code into Arduino code, and learn about some libraries like pa, pan, pandas, etc. Then we have learned basics of R. Thank you.